Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to export keyboard shortcuts here in Premiere Pro. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Adobe Premiere Pro, just click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Exporting keyboard shortcuts in Adobe Premiere Pro is a simple process that is very useful if you want to back them up, share them, or use them on another device. Obviously, you just have to follow these simple steps to export your custom keyboard shortcuts. So, here, once you are inside the application of Premiere Pro, all you're going to do is hover to the upper left corner where you can see the file section. Click on it and there should be click on the click the edit beside the file, click edit, and there should be an option that says keyboard shortcuts. Or if you want the shortcut, that's going to be Control plus Alt plus K. So let's do that. Press Control plus Alt plus K. What will happen is this small box or pop-up box will appear, and these are going to be your options. All right, you can use the keyboard layout preset, which is going to be the Premiere Pro default, or you can use the Premiere Pro CS6, Avid Media Composer 5, Final Cut Pro 7, depending on your preferences. You can copy to clipboard. You have also the option for, is it going to be for application or audio clip mixer panel, audio track capture panel, and there's a lot that you can choose from. All right, so you have all of these options. Now, you see this, you have the application, the shortcut, and of course from here you can type in all the shortcuts that you wanted, right? If you've spent some time customizing your shortcuts, exporting them ensures you have a backup in case of software updates, crashes, or reinstallations. You can avoid having to recreate your personalized layout from scratch, because exporting allows you to transfer your shortcuts to another computer. So for example, you're transferring to a new location, you brought your laptop with you, you can now make sure that your workflow is consistent when switching between workstations or devices. This is very ideal for editors working on both personal and professional systems. All right. And again, from here, once you have set up the command, modifier, shortcut, and application, there should be an option that says Save As. Click on it, put in the file name, click on OK, and that's that. Alternatively, there is an option to share. If you have that, copy to clipboard, send it to your client or to team members you are working here inside the with the Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.